Khan from Free IT Education. If you are interested to learn Python, so this lecture is for you and want to know about function, so this lecture is for you. Okay, without any further delay, if you have not watched a previous lesson about the function, you watch them first before you continue. So we were learning about the function. So in this lecture, we will know about uh, a lambda function. Lambda is a very powerful function in Python. How it works? So lambda is basically is an anonymous function, and how it works basically when the syntax is you write the keyword lambda and then you get the variable, so which is a. Anything which comes, you basically add them 10 into it and return it and saved into x. So basically x is equal to a lambda function, which means if any time a value is passed into x, it will come here and it will basically add 10 into that value and see if you run it, so that will give you a 15. So let's say if we pass it 2, so that we will get a value of 12 here. That's just working and we would get 12 here. See? So lambda is very powerful function. We're going to see other variation of lambda function. So the next one, what we're seeing here, so this is again a lambda function. So lambda, which is get expecting 2 inputs, is just like a function with 2 inputs. And then whatever inputs we get, we basically multiply them and then we get the result back into x. So here we are calling the function is just like a function name. So you can call it my x, and then you just type it my x, and you pass in on a value of 2 times 3. So if you run that, so what will happen, it will give you the value of 2 times 3, which is 6. Okay, so that's how. So this is another variation of lambda function. So you're passing on more than one argument. Okay, so the third one, which we are saying that we can pass on more than 2 arguments, more than 2 variables. So here we are passing 3, 5, 6, and 2, so which will add it up and you will get the result, which is 13. Okay, this is interesting function. Here we got a function which we learned in the previous lecture. If you have not watched it, watch that lecture first. So what we're saying, so we created a function, my function, which is getting 1 argument, but that is multiplied with an unknown number. We don't know what is that number would be. So how we are calling, what we're saying, return lambda, which means that whatever value you get here needs to be multiplied, whatever is passed into the lambda function, okay, which we learned in the previous understanding. So what we're saying, we're calling the function first and we're passing the variable that will come here and it will go here. Then the lambda function will do the magic, which will what it will do. So it will call the lambda, we call them my doubler, which is the lambda function, and it will pass on the value 11. So then now this will go here and then this will multiply 11 times 2, which is 22. Okay, so this is very powerful function, powerful way of writing a function. So lambda function has a great usage in Python. Okay, so here what we're doing, so we are passing first 2, then we are passing number 3, and then first we got a doubler function and then we got tripler function. So these are the 2 different lambda function name. So first time we passing 11, so 11 times 2 is 22 and 11 times 3 is 33, and that's what you get. Okay, I hope this has been informative. If you have any questions, leave your comments, like this video and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Free IT Education. See you in the next lecture. Bye for now.